Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create a YouTube channel on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on YouTube and then tap this icon and tap sign in. Then tap continue and then write your email address. Then tap next and then tap continue, and then tap create a channel. Then tap here to select your photo of your channel YouTube. You can take a photo or you can choose a photo from gallery. For example, I choose from gallery and I select this one. Then tap save. Then select your name of your channel YouTube. For example, World Bits. Then tap save. And here you can select username of your channel. Tap here and select the username, for example, official. Then tap save. And after write your information, tap create channel. Congratulations, the channel YouTube has been created and you can easily upload your video. To upload video, tap create, and now you can easily create a short or upload a videos on your channel. Tap upload a video and select the video that you want to upload, for example this one, and tap next, and here give a title of your video, for example adorable cat, and write a description of your video and tap next and tap upload a video. If you want to watch your videos, go to manage videos and this is your video. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.